We could be partnering with a stadium or a small church that doesn't really have the technical resources, but we need to ensure that robustness of network is there.
Part of our mission is to provide record management and election services to the constituents of Los Angeles County. A big portion of our work involves conducting elections. In addition to the voting systems, which are isolated and self-contained, we also have non-voting equipment. Things like electronic poll books that need a constant connection to our voter registration database, primarily to check in the voters. We are the most populous county in the nation, and with a diverse population with multiple accessibility needs, multiple languages, our task becomes more complex. We go to about 1,000 locations. We call them vote centers, and they are open 11 days. The connection from the non-voting equipment to our voter registration database is extremely important. We use it to search our voter registration database. We use it to register the voters the very first time. Now, all this needs to happen through a safe, secure, and a very scalable manner. It allows us to be very flexible. In fact, we can have backup connections, we can have multiple cellular carriers, and we can switch the connections based on our bandwidth needs.
Our motto is voting never stops, so we need to provide a robust and reliable voting connectivity.
The whole foundation of partnering with Cradlepoint is ease of use. Ease of use, security, and transparency. Being able to very quickly with NetCloud manage thousands of routers and have redundancy in the processes that we set up. So NetCloud really gave us that, gave us the visibility to make sure that we have a single place where we create our config, we're stable, sound, we test that, and then deploy to hundreds of thousands of routers if need to, and then have the visibility to ensure that those policies are properly being applied across the board.
So after the router has been kitted and staged and configuration validated, we ship the routers out in a ruggedized box that has gone through a chain of custody process, which ensures the router has not been tampered with. And once it arrives at site, we have a team to deploy the router.
With the certificate-based systems, only devices with certificates are allowed to connect to our Cradlepoint router. That's a key aspect for providing security at each individual vote center as well.
So one of the things that Cradlepoint has is a singular ecosystem that is really inclusive of not only our needs, but a broad range of technical needs.